Hi, welcome to this video. My name is Ken, and in this video I am going to be sharing with you how you can transfer your website from one domain hosting into another domain or hosting. This can be easily done with a migrator. But before I show you how you're going to do it, if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel to help this channel grow. I talk a lot about digital marketing, and if you're interested in this type of subject, do subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let me jump to my computer and show you how it can be done. Before I proceed to transferring from one site to another site, do watch my video on how to back up your WordPress website using UpdraftPlus. This video which I uploaded 1 year ago, so this video could be very useful. This video is actually continuous of the video. The only way we can migrate the website is for you to have the backup of the website first. To back up the website, you can always use this WordPress. To back up WordPress website, you can always use UpdraftPlus. And once you have the backup, that is when you can proceed to migrate it to another place. And another thing that I need you to install to have it is using this migrator UpdraftPlus. Because especially if you want to change domain and then we're changing hosting. So when you want to move the whole website, you want to use the domain A, you change the domain B, but still the same content website. We need to use Updraft Migrator. And I'll be using my Updraft Migrator, and the only way to use Updraft Migrator is for you to actually have a backup in UpdraftPlus. That's why it's essentially the most simplest way to migrate a WP site. So you can get this $30 one, which is clone and migrate animator sites for 1 year. If you're cloning one site, $30 is still cheap comparing to you redoing the whole thing again, right? And so there's also $70 or $9. So I think just get the package that you like. So I'll put the link to this in the description box below. So after you purchase, you go to your account. All you have to do is just download this UpdraftPlus, and then after you download this, you go to your WordPress site. You go to plugins. So I already opened my UdraftPlus, but just show you how. You just go to plugin, you go to add new, upload plugin, and just choose the file where the plugin is. For me, it's saved in the download folder, so you just need to put here and just open it and put in that I already installed. Once you install, you just have to activate, right? Just go to your plugins, and then you activate. Now it's already activated. Okay. So where you go after that, you go to settings, go to UdraftPlus backup, and I have the site already backup, so I already back it up here. Okay. So this backup is done. Just follow step by step from my video in here. So using this video, you should be able to see how to back up your existing website before you transfer to new hosting or to new domain. And then after that, you just have to save the file. Up to you want to save in Google Drive. For me, I save in Google Drive and then I pull it out and put it into my desktop so I can save it. So that it's easy for me to upload it into a website and then just back up. So now you go to the existing backup, go to upload backup files, right? You go to your backup, so it should be unzipped. Just have to click on it. So just a heads up, if you want to, upload backup files, if you're using the same domain, it shouldn't be a problem. You don't have to buy the migrator for the UpdraftPlus. This is only applicable when you're especially changing domain. Because for example, I use domain A, I want to change all the content to domain B, right? So UpdraftPlus will do this for you. If you were to buy migrator, without migrator, you won't be able to do it. Then all you have to do is just restore. And when you click restore, you see there's component to restore. So restoring will replace these site themes, everything, etc. This is just, you don't need to restore. Then you see there's another option later, right? So search and replace site location in database migrate. So this is very important to click on it, especially if you want to change everything into the new domain name. Restore. Yeah, restore. Successful. So you just return the UpdraftPlus configuration. It. Then they will ask you to log in again. Okay, so let me show you what happened just now. What happened was that I have another account, a username and password for my WordPress, but the moment I update this, I upload the backup, it changed to my original username and password. So make sure you have your original username password ready in case this thing happens. Okay, voila, your backup has been restored, and that's it, you're done. So let me check the website first, see whether it has fully changed to the website that I've created. So that's it, that's all you need to do. That's it, it is as simple. So first you need to just backup your existing website or website and then have it transfer using a migrator into another new website, new domain, or new hosting. And this can be done with a migrator. And if you want to get the migrator, you can just get it in the link in the description box below. It is an affiliate link, so I'll be really appreciative if you can help to get it through there. If it's not, you can just feel free to go to their website and just get it by yourself. Right? And with that, I also need to ask a little bit support from you guys to subscribe to this channel to help this channel grow. Again, I talk about digital marketing, and if this subject that is interest to you, do subscribe to this channel. Feel free to comment. If you have anything you want to comment, anything you want to ask, any help you want from me, feel free to hit me up on my social media. It's all in the description box below. And with this, I hope to see you in my next video. And for now, goodbye.